To get the technicals on boards, and our technical expert Shivangi Sarda as well as Naresh Mirani with us to talk to us about what really to make of the market setup. Naresh, hi, morning. Good to be speaking with you. Well, what do you make of this FI positioning at the start of the series? It's very light at 18%. I'm trying to wrap my brain around the fact that Jan is supposed to be seasonally weak, but we are coming in very light after a 10% correction. How would you weigh the odds in terms of the Jan series? Is it going to be green or there is more likelihood of red?
So overall, if you look at it, January is a month where we have seen major tops. But the fact is, whenever we've seen a major top, it's been a very good last few months or the last 1 year, which is not really the case this time around. So we again remain in that consolidation is the view, more on the flatter side, unless something changes globally. For now, the volumes have been lower across the board. So it's not just the Nifty. We are seeing lower volumes in the broader markets as well. Classical conditions of a consolidation phase wherein one will see range bound moves. So for now, the extreme short term range is 23,500 to 24,000, 24,050 on the upside. If we cross any of these points, we get a 500 pointer range, and then we again look at it with a fresh set of eyes. So for now, the consolidation to continue.
Shivangi, hi, morning. Does the bounce in autos look sustainable to you?
Very good morning. Thank you for having me. So we've seen that auto index has been underperforming from the last two series. And of course, there has been some sort of short covering move over here. But there are some names which have dampened a lot and needs a lot of follow-up buying to be able to again sustain at these levels. Of course, out of the pack, there are some stocks which have witnessed good rollover. But I would suggest we could actually wait and watch for the auto pack. There are better sectors which are in momentum and in action which can be focused on at the moment.
Naresh, morning. Also want to get your sense on what the trade setup today is going to be like, because Friday was largely very range bound. In fact, the last entire week has been low on volumes. Do you expect this kind of lackluster trade to continue even today, given global markets have been rather mixed? So what levels are you spotting on the index today?
So expecting the markets to remain range bound, and we've been seeing this for the last 3-4 weeks roughly. One day we make a range 500, 600 pointer, and then we spend the next few sessions in this. So till the time that does not shift, it's tough to call that we are getting into momentum. And also the fact that a lot of indices, a lot of broader indices also have taken a pause. So for now, 23,500 to 24,050 is roughly the band. Once we go beyond that, we'll get into a good short-term move of 500, 700 points.
Whether we get that 500, 700 point bounce or not.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.